Today we're taking a look at the latest sport loops from Apple, including the Nike Sport Loops. They're $49 and come in 6 new stripe variations and 3 new Nike Sport Loops. I'm even throwing in as a bonus a little of the Magic Ember Crimson Bliss Nike Sport Band, since I only bought 1 sport band this season, as well as 2 new leather links. Give this a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. Product Red. It's a nice change for those who love red. Reminds me a lot of Product Red from 2019, but striped. It seems we have pink pomelo on the sides, which is a matching silicone iPhone case this season. So you can either match it with that or your red case. The dark stripe can help match dark Apple Watch colors. Silver stainless steel always matches everything. And gold always looks good with red. Now we have Maize White Sport Loop. With 3 light colors, it's a nice change to your usual watch band. Happy vibes. There's that pink pomelo edge again, so we're matching it with a pink pomelo case. You get the same material and Velcro fastening as before. It's subtle, but gold blends a little with the yellow or maize. With this band, the new Starlight Series 7 should blend perfectly with the lightest part, like how the silver stainless steel kind of does. I personally don't like the dark watches with this because it seems disruptive on top of everything happening. Now we briefly interrupt the sport loops to look at the Sequoia Green leather link. Reminds me of Forest Green, but slightly more green. Still dark though. Magic Ember Crimson Bliss Nike Sport Band, which almost perfectly also matches pink pomelo. They're really pushing that color this season. Here's the dark cherry leather link. Leather links are one of the easier watch bands to put on. These 2 new colors are the darker choices of the 4 new leather links. Showing off that lustrous leather. As for the darker sport loops, we have 2 choices. The darkest of them all is Tornado Gray, which has dark green rails and a brown-like stripe next to black. I do notice the lugs have the slightest blue hue, which would suggest midnight, Apple's newest color for their darker Apple Watch. This band looks good with all the Apple Watch colors. Now we have the overall dark, yet colorful, dark cherry forest green. This unique high contrast mix is what I'm all about. You know they made this for the new green Apple Watch, and the edges match the marigold iPhone case. There has to be some kind of blue. Abyss blue is back, mixed with moss green, and some kind of light blue color that will probably match the new Apple Watch. So far I like it the most with silver. Pink Pomelo Tan Sport Loop has the edges in Starlight, which to me is kind of like vanilla. And with the brown and pink, somehow makes me want frozen yogurt. Now for the Nike line of sport loops. I can already predict they'll mix colors with these either in the fall or spring. I'll be waiting for the more colorful ones because I already have my neutrals. Summit White is what we have here. And now, black. Our last band today is the Cargo Nike Sport Loop, which is the darkest brownish green I've ever seen. After seeing these, which one did you like the most? I definitely want to keep the brighter ones and not any of the Nike Sport Loops. If you don't have any of the neutral colors yet, then I highly recommend it, unless you don't like logos. I'm not always in the mood for stripes, so I probably would wear these less than the previous generations. I hope this helped. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. My goal is 6,000 subscribers by the end of October, so thanks for your support so far, and thanks for watching.